Okay, once again, good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming for this short presentation. I would like to say a few words about the topic we spoke last year, but it's a little bit amended. But before I start the presentation, the first presentation, I would like to say a few words about Poland. Because many of you, I got such impression during this first day of exhibition, really is surprised that Poland is here and Poland offers a green technology. I would like to stress some facts. In 14 years ago, we changed absolutely our economic system. 25 years ago, we changed our political system. 10 years ago, we became member of the European Union. And during this time, we reduced our CO2 emission by 33%. And we were at that time in difficult situation because we were changing the systems. So we are not fully fledged member of the European Union, although we had to have our own technologies to be, let's say, a member of green society. And we succeeded, 33%. If we just compare ourselves to Germany, CO2 emission per head in Poland is much lower than in Germany. It is quite surprising, also for me, but it is like that. In less than 20 years, we restore our rivers, we restore our forests, and we have now more trees and more forests than we used to have before the Second War. And economy still goes on. This is not like that green technology kills the economy, just on the opposite direction. It helps the economy to develop. Please remember that Poland, as a member of the European Union, we are the only country in the European Union maintaining high economic growth and the level this year of 3%. So in the European conditions, it's quite a lot. The number of investment we attracted is more than 150 billion euros. It's not the investment promises, but it's a real investment done. Poland is a leading producer of electronics. We deliver IT solutions. If somebody of you just thinking about Poland in a term of heavy industry, it's the bygone era. We, let's say, fully modernized country with, let's say, light technology, with green technologies, with IT. And why what the situation, such situation happened in a short time? As I told you at the beginning, we started to develop our own technology through the project. One of the projects is the GreenEvo project, which is still in use nowadays. And this is also sample to follow for the countries like Malaysia, which absolutely is the same situation as we used to be. We are even similar in sizes, because Malaysian area is exactly same like Poland has. We are slightly bigger in people. We have 40 million people and 10 million living abroad. But the level of the cost of living in Kuala Lumpur and generally in Poland is more or less the same. And we face the same problems. We cannot use the technologies around the world which are not fixed or adjust to our conditions. Try to imagine riding a bicycle like Danish people do in Poland during winter time. It's impossible. You have a snow, half meter or 1 meter snow every day. And you have a temperature -15 till -25. So we cannot compare our conditions and our solutions for energy with the other countries. Because Denmark, they can use bicycles in the winter time, but the lowest temperature there ever is +5. They can use gas or winter turbines, But we cannot, because we cannot be dependent on Russian gas only. At the same time, we have one of the richest coal deposits in Europe. We have our own gas, but it's sealed due to the strategic reasons. So we started to develop green technologies to diminish the CO2 emission, and at the same time to develop our economy. And for example, Poland now is one of the countries developing so-called clean coal technologies. Of course, you cannot compare it with the gas. It's still much dirtier, but let's say still much cleaner than they used to be. And the traditional or diesel power plants. So we have, talking about green technology, we have to remember that green technology or the green technologies start at the very beginning, not from the big investment, but of the set of mind. If we switch off the lights every day, this is green technology we use at home. If we make a segregation of waste, this is the cheapest green technology we use at home. It doesn't require a huge investment, except 3 or 4 waste bins we have to buy. But this is just peanuts. The green technology starts from saving the energy, saving water. Look, in Poland, we drive our cars on gas, on LPG. Why? Because LPG is cheap. Although some people said, oh, it's not good for engine, it's very good for engine. And we deliver our gas conversion systems to Malaysia as well. So the taxi you are right on in Kuala Lumpur, part of them just running on Polish system on gas. To Manila, we delivered actually recently, last year, 9,000 pieces of gas conversion kits. So the taxis there are also using our system, developed in Poland. They are not foreign technologies. So coming back to the accelerator, because this is accelerator. GreenEvo project is the only project in the European Union which helps local companies to go global. But this is not like that the companies comes from nowhere. No. There are quite tough competition to be member of this project. First of all, as you see, the companies should present and prove that they have their own technologies, not imported, not licensed, but they owned. Existing solutions, and this cannot be ideas or concepts, but the proven technology which really supports green development, verified, it means they are already in use, and they are also commercialized. So it cannot be, to be a member of this project, you cannot be just scientist. You have to commercialize your project. They should be Polish, and they should be ready to transfer, because we are keen to share our experience and be involved in the wider development of green technology. Companies who are members of this project, they got governmental support. But as usual, here in Asia, in Malaysia, if we're just thinking about governmental support, it means money. But money comes in different forms, not the cash only. This is, let's say, for example, service of the lawyers paid by government agencies, services of consultants, the promotional costs abroad. So as I do today, I promote them from budget money. So this is the promotion they got as a reward for their investment and for their innovations. So they don't get any money in the form of cash. And there are categories of this project. Why I show the categories of the project is maybe less important for the project, but this is very important for you. Because in every of these categories, we have competent projects products and services. And we would like to share with Malaysian and not only Malaysian companies. The project exists already 4 years. And during this time, we were able to enter 17 new markets with our technology. In year 2012, there was even Keta's visit to Poland to study the project, get acquainted with the technology and the solution, how we back up and how we assist our companies. This is, let's say, how the project works. This is maybe not so important this day, but this also involves a knowledge of scientists, not only from Poland, but the scientists, well-known world scientists, which should assess our technology if they are eligible to be chosen for the projects. 3 addition, you see, 13 companies, 17, 10. The numbers, the first number is just the only number which shows the real, because the 17 is the 13 plus 17 plus 10, and this year, this is not included to the presentation because the beauty contest is just now. I've got the information that we got 12 more. So you can see this is 50-something companies which innovation in the green sector. Some of them could be familiar to you. For example, you see Asket company. They are coming next week to Malaysia. They are the only producer in Europe of a biomasser machine, movable biomasser. They tested it in Vietnam, in the Philippines, so there is no need to bring rice straw or palm leaves to the factory, but you bring the small factory to the fields. And the only thing you have there is to just transport the briquettes. PP Eco, they will be tomorrow at our booth A020, A021. This is one of the 3 world companies who are owners of the technology of waste POME treatment from palm oil mills. And this is really medium-sized company. Ledico, Marbet, Petrostar, many of them, they do solar, they do conversion of the municipal waste into the building materials, which is also important. Please remember that you don't need to dig out the holes in the earth for looking for stones for the road pavement if you have a lot of municipal waste. You convert municipal waste by crushing it, adding some chemicals, and convert it into the building materials, which is absolutely safe. Of course, nobody forces anybody to live in a house made of such bricks. But it's perfect material for road pavements or commercial building, or let's say, foundation for any infrastructure construction. Sanex, the company who invented a special film which is stick on the solar panels and increase the efficiency of the solar panels by 27 up to 31%, different, depends on construction. This is also green technology. And you don't need for it to build another solar power plant, just to increase the efficiency of the existing one. And so on, so on. Some other, all these companies you can find in a book which I distribute on a stand. This is Greenivo book. This is the 40 other companies except this year companies which are, as I told you, but they are now under the process. So everything is here. We have only half an hour for the presentation, so I will not keep you much longer. I would like to show you a film. In short words, in short 7-8 minutes, you will get acquainted with most of the companies which in our opinion are most suitable for Malaysian market. And just for curiosity, this company, Yakush, it's also green technology, although they are related to the military sector. But in Poland, they have a status of green pioneer, because this company is the only one in Central Europe who deals with unexploded ordnance safely. We don't use military people to do that. They do that for them. And they got job in Cambodia, they job in Croatia, in Serbia, and in Vietnam. So this is also green technology because we are cleaning the soil, although formally it's related to the military sector. This we will skip because this is more information you will find on the website on GreenEvo with the addresses and the films about any single particular company.
A tour of GreenEvo. The global consumption of natural resources is progressing much more rapidly than their natural regeneration. We are witnessing times when ecological awareness moves consumers and entrepreneurs alike to reach for environment-friendly solutions. The solutions offered by Polish manufacturers are becoming a greater and greater part of the global market for green technology. The Polish Ministry of the Environment supports the best of these solutions with its authority and promotional activity. We invite you to become acquainted with 40 technologies of the laureates of 3 years of the annual GreenEvo, the Green Technology Accelerator.
GreenEvo to jest prawdziwy znak jakości.
GreenEvo is the true quality symbol of Polish green technologies. The whole world is in need of these.
Ci przedsiębiorcy, którzy są prawdziwymi.
These visionary companies and entrepreneurs are our hope for Polish and world environment improvement.
I w Polsce, i na świecie.
Water and sewer management. Beogradex produces, modernizes, and constructs turnkey municipal and industrial sewage treatment plants using the active sludge method. Treatment of high-load sewage is a specialty of Chemedex company, which has been supplying technologies for food industry buildings, among others, for years. Municipalities and other entities need effective and cheap methods of sewage treatment. CTE Carbotech Engineering offers such a solution. The hybrid sludge drying plant of the Ecotop company makes it possible to achieve more than a 4-fold reduction of sludge. For 20 years, the Pepe Eco company has been involved with the production of very pure processed water from industrial and municipal sewage. The Redor company produces submersible, pumping, and vertical stirrers that intensify physical and chemical reactions as well as biological processes occurring in active sludge. It is possible that the beverages you will drink today have been filtered by the water ozonization installation using the technology of the Bofil company. Energy savings. The Aponet Green System company has discovered a method for reducing street lighting costs. The company offers an intelligent system for lamp control. The EcoN company has developed sealing masses used in the production of insulated glass. EcoPure V, which does not contain toxic mercury and phthalenes, and EcoPure C, which also does not include isocyanates. The construction technology developed by the Izodom 2000 Polska company makes it possible to quickly build high-quality passive buildings without the necessity of renting expensive construction equipment or hiring additional specialists. The LMS system, developed by the Lars company, guarantees energy savings as well as limiting consumption and costs. The Ledico company manufactures the LED Clevio street lamp. Its output is greater and its cost of exploitation are lower in comparison with conventional solutions. The integrator heating and cooling system produced by the Macrotherm company enables economical use of energy coming from a fireplace, solar collector, or gas furnace. The NMG company offers consulting services and a measuring and IT system for reduction of consumption of energy. The Promar company provides the possibility of reducing costs of building upkeep. The installation makes it possible to control the use of electricity in a building. The Vatra geothermal heat pump of the WSK Krakow company is a solution for heating water and rooms for private clients and institutions. Air protection. The Reduxco combustion catalyst of the Dagas company is a solution that brings savings for thermoelectric power plants and the transportation industry. The engineers at the Energoinstal company have found a way to convert waste gases from a cokery into clean and free energy. Renewable energy sources. APS Energia offers a wireless power supply system using the Polestar ecological fuel cell. The Asket Roman Długi company produces biomass or mobile briquetting machines. Straw briquettes are a cheap and ecological furnace fuel replacing coal. The Fuwi company produces automated pellet-type biomass-fueled furnaces and fireplaces. They find applications in heating any type of building. Solar collectors are the foundation of the production profile of the Helivex company. They fulfill the highest qualitative and efficiency criteria thanks to an aluminum absorber. The Hydroergia company renders complete services related to the construction, development, and modernization of small water power engineering structures, transforming the power of nature into a natural source of energy. The Neon company produces the efficient Neosol 250 solar collectors, which have useful applications in any type of building. The Promise Innovative team has developed a technological process that serves to desulfurize biogases in sewage treatment plants and biogas works. The Sunex company produces solar collectors that are mainly directed towards the demanding market of Western Europe. The Ursus company offers the LTBS technological line for briquetting of straw and hay. This solution is distinguished by high effectiveness of production due to the fact that it enables the production of briquettes and pellets in the same devices. A fully automated production line and a flagship product that is a solar collector of the highest efficiency, these are the calling cards of the Watt company. Waste management. The Aton HT company has developed technology for neutralization of hazardous waste using its MTT microwave method. The Ecotech Polska company has created the revolutionary Enviromix technology for neutralizing hazardous waste. This offers a solution to the ecological problems of industries and national governments around the world. Thanks to the development of an innovative method of binding agent production, the Ecotech Ash Engineering company is able to utilize byproducts of coal burning. The Yahush Systemy Zabezpieczeń Bankowych company designs and implements the planetarium technology for the disposal of ammunition. Technology from the Marbetville company makes it possible to combine waste with sulfur. The result of this is sulfur concrete, a neutral substance that finds applications in infrastructure. The Multichem Eco company has developed a method of processing waste from the food industry into a wholesome fertilizer. Petroster offers the Safe Tank package, consisting of installations ensuring safety at over 70% of all gas stations in Poland. The Q Energy company has developed a method of gasifying various types of biomass, making it possible to obtain synthesized gas used for generating heat and electricity. The Technologia Ekologiczna Zbigniew Tokarz company has created the T-Technology solution for production of liquid fuels from unutilized plastic waste. Biodiversity protection. An artificial kidney for the environment rescues water reservoirs subjected to degradation. This technology was developed by the Polymat Eco company. The Neptune system of the Procom System company is an electric barrier that protects water engineering structures from fish. Lake recultivation technology for prevention of microscopic water bloom and improvement of lake transparency has been developed by the Prote Technologie dla Środowiska company. The technologies of the laureates of Greenivo are competitive compared to other solutions available on the market, and their effectiveness is confirmed by many implementations in markets around the world. Today, in times of peak natural resources, we understand that the development of the future economy must be based on green technologies, energy saving, and resources saving. We have excellent examples of companies associated with Greenivo operating from Tanzania to Armenia, the Polish green technologies. Last year, these companies reported a 60% increase in income from exports. I personally believe that this year will be even better.